I could have done things, but I not do. I left everything in God's hand. I want you dream me and tell me what you want. That's when I come and carry it for you. You my baby? I must say I love you and you are my only son. But why? You dead left 2 grand give me. I take care of them. I want you dream me. I not vex with you because I love you and you are my son. But you see anybody who take you from me, they might go down. And you see karma, Papa. You see when karma come for them, I tell you, you not go normal because I left everything in God. And me not do nothing because I left everything to God. Just do it and work because you're no gunman, you're no bad man. If you done there with the girl, you ain't bad. You done there with the girl and the girl man kill you. But remember me tell you, say, him not gonna live to kill another one. Remember me tell you, him not gonna live to kill another one. Him kill you, he kill the girl and kill you, but he not gonna live to kill another one. Remember me tell you, because God a go work. We see when God a work, God go and work. Remember me tell you. Remember, me love you, I am a son. You just want to dream me and tell me everything you want, just dream me. Me will make you get it. Yeah, Papa, Mommy love you.